Hello everybody and welcome back to another lockpicking video. And today we're going to try to pick this lock here. It's the Mauer NW4. It's a brown belt lock in the LPU belt system. And yeah, look at that fancy key. It has dimples. It has dimples on the side. It has a groove for sliders. It has interactive element, not one but two. And yeah, super fun to pick, and hopefully we can get it open. So let's put it in a vise and hopefully we can pick it together. See you back in a second. Okay, here we are back in the vise. Key works just fine. Let's get a tensioner in on the left side here. Make sure it sits really nice on the edge and gives us a nice base to pick from with the straight flag. And yeah, let's get started. Rather heavy tension. Nothing on 1, small click on 2, small click on 3. Force binding, good click. Tiny click on 5. And click on 6, back to 1. Smallest of clicks. Let's see. Okay, 5 is binding, good click. Okay, I set pin 1 and we're in a deep false set. False set got deeper when touching pin 2. Okay, let's check the sidebar. The first slider felt really stiff. And now at the back. There we go. Nice. Okay. So we're clearly open. Let's see. Get this out of the holder. Yeah, clearly open. And yeah, I will fast forward this bit because I have to hammer out anyhow a bit, and I don't want to annoy you with that. Maybe quick fast forward break to show you the cam piece here, which is very interesting. I've not seen that before. It acts also as a C-clip to hold the core, and this consists of 2 pieces, and you have to punch out this roll pin here, and then you can take it apart. That's 3 pieces. And yeah, let's continue the gutting. Okay, maybe let's have a look at the core together. I just had a brief look already. I'll just turn it in its holder and yeah, That was some drill protection that dropped out, but ignore that. So here's the main stack. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you see that pin 3 is almost a zero lift. Yeah. And then we have passive pins here on the side, which interact with the side of the key, these here. So those are 5. And then we have the sliders here. 4 sliders, and they go through the whole core, so they stick out on the other side. And the way they block the rotation of the core is, if they are not aligned at the right position, like these two are sticking out now, yeah, they will just block the rotation. And to make room for that, the actual housing of the lock looks a bit wild actually. You see 4 holes on this side, and then 4 holes on this side, plus the 5 holes for the passive pins. So that is all needed for key control and for the sliders to have room, and then of course the main stack at the bottom. And then also you have key control elements on the top, I think. I have not noticed them really. So, can I even get them out? No. So I'll get everything out of the core and then see you back in a second. Okay, I finished taking the core apart. This is what it looks like. So here's the side again, and here's the top. And this leaves me a bit puzzled. I don't know, maybe you can help me out. I don't know what these 3 are for. This is for sure, here's a spring under it, because if you look in the front, you can see an active element that interacts with that bit here in the key, and therefore we will have a very, very short key pin in chamber 1 down here, this one, and this will push on this element and then on the key pin to get it to shear. Yeah. Very interesting. Then quite some drill protection here, and this one dropped out. But yeah, very interesting, such a core. And let's have a look at everything. So for the pins, all key pins are standard. 1 is very, very short, and 3 is long, almost a zero lift. And yeah, nothing too special on the key pins. The driver pins are very nice, so we have standards in 1, 4 and 6, and nice spools in 3 and 5, and a nice T-pin in chamber 2. And up here we have the sliders, so on each of them, the copper ones, on the right you see this little knob which interacts with the key. And yeah, depending on where this knob is, it sticks out to the core, and yeah, I don't know, they are not sprung, they will stay where they are once you move them, and I had picks where I didn't need to touch them just to pick the main stack. Yeah, I don't know, and I don't know what these dimples are on the side. They are numbered. I guess these are the positions, so I guess this This one here in the center should be the same as this one. If you put them next together, they should be the same. And then you have the passive key control pins here on the top. Nothing that we haven't seen before, but yeah, not too easy to pick, but also doable. So yeah, this is my first Mauer that I could pick, and thanks again to the Key-Dependent Quarter for lending me this. And thanks to everybody who's still here watching. Hope you liked this video. If you do so, leave a like, write me a comment, and yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Bye!